Imagine uploading your messy lecture notes or a giant PDF and getting instant summaries, quizzes, flashcards, and even an AI tutor in seconds, because that's exactly what StudyFetch is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how students are using this AI tool in 2026 to study faster and save hours every week. StudyFetch is basically an AI-powered study assistant made for students who want help organizing and understanding their study materials without spending all day making notes manually. The platform lets you upload PDFs, PowerPoint slides, lecture recordings, handwritten notes, articles, and even YouTube videos, then automatically turns them into summaries, quizzes, flashcards, practice tests, and AI-generated explanations. To get started, you simply create an account on StudyFetch, upload your study material, and wait a few seconds while the AI analyzes the content. After that, the platform generates study tools automatically, so instead of reading hundreds of pages again, you can review shorter summaries, answer quizzes, and practice with flashcards. One of the most popular features is the AI tutor called Spark.E because it works almost like a private teacher that answers questions about your uploaded notes and explains difficult topics in simpler words. So if you're confused about something from class, you can literally ask the AI tutor for help instead of searching through Google for hours. Another feature students really like is the automatic flashcard and quiz generator because it helps with active recall and exam preparation. StudyFetch also includes study games and practice tests, which many users say make studying feel less boring and more interactive. According to reviews online, the biggest advantage of StudyFetch is how much time it saves. Many students on Reddit and Trustpilot said the platform helped them organize huge amounts of lecture content faster and made exam revision less stressful. Some users even said they improved their grades after using the quizzes and AI tutoring tools consistently. A lot of people also praised the clean interface and said it was easy to use even if you're not very technical. Some students with ADHD or focus issues mentioned that the interactive features and AI explanations made it easier to stay focused while studying. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are also some downsides you should know before using it. One of the biggest complaints online is the pricing, because many useful features are locked behind premium subscriptions. Some users also mentioned upload bugs, slow processing times for large files, and confusion about the free trial limitations. A few Reddit users even questioned whether the premium plan is worth paying for when cheaper alternatives exist. Another thing to remember is that AI summaries are not always perfect, especially for technical or advanced subjects, so you still need to review the original material instead of relying completely on the AI. Overall, though, StudyFetch does seem like a genuinely useful tool for students who deal with long lectures, heavy workloads, and exam preparation because it combines notes, quizzes, flashcards, and tutoring into one platform. It's not going to magically replace studying, but it can definitely help you learn faster and stay more organized. If you want to try StudyFetch yourself, check the link in the description. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials and honest reviews.